this lesson is 12.11 in Go Math. This is the homework. So the title is Patterns in Measurement Units. The directions for the first part say, let's read it together and go. Each table shows a pattern for two customary units of time, liquid, volume, or weight. Label the columns of the table. So the first one, gallons and quarts, that's customary what? Liquid volume. So check on that. Let's write a little check mark on the liquid volume because we found that one. Now we're going to look for time and weight on these two, or on 2, 3, and 4. So which one would you like to look at?
Number 2.
Number 2. Okay. So we have time, liquid volume, or weight. All right. So 1 watt is 2,000 watt. Well, the clues are 2,000. That's pretty big. That's a pretty big number. So think, what could be the biggest thing that you know compares? Think and say.
A ton.
A ton and pounds. So 1 ton is 2,000 pounds. Great. All right, and everybody's writing with me. All right, I'll let you guys do the other 2 for 3 and 4. Let's look at number 5. It says Marguerite made the table to compare 2 metric measures of length. Name a pair of units Marguerite could be comparing. Okay, so everyone think in your heads. What is the metric unit that measures length? Think and say.
Meter.
Meter, okay. So could we use meter?
Yeah.
Sure. Okay, so 1 meter is 10 what?
10 deciliters.
Yeah, if we did King Hector died unusually drinking chocolate milk. Okay, now this M we have to remember is milli, right? And in this case, the unit is meter. So if we have 1 meter and we are finding 10, it would be what? 10 decimeters. So we'd write decimeters here. Okay, well it's 10 decimeters. It's plural, right? Okay, so name a pair of units Marguerite could be comparing. It would be meter to what?
Decimeter.
Yes, write it down. Okay, write it down. All right, let's just talk through number 6. Draw a table to represent months and years. Explain how you labeled each column. You're going to do this on your own. We're representing months and years. Okay, now let's just look at 5. Could it be something different if it's metric and length?
Yeah.
Could it maybe be 1 decimeter is 10 centimeters? That would also work. Could it be 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters? Yeah, those would all work. Okay, ready and go.